Hi, I'm Ben. I'm here to learn English.
And I'm Emma. I'm here to help.
Let's learn together.
Let's learn together. Hi, everyone. Welcome back to our English podcast. I'm Emma.
And I'm Ben. Thanks for listening today.
We're very excited because our topic is really big. Literally, we're going to talk about space.
Space, the stars, the planets, the mysteries of the universe.
And don't worry, we'll use clear English so you can follow easily and learn new words.
That's right. So, Emma, do you like space?
I love space. It makes me feel small, but also curious. There are billions of stars out there.
Same here. When I was a kid, I wanted to be an astronaut.
Wow, really? Did you imagine yourself flying in a rocket?
Yes, I imagined wearing a spacesuit and walking on the moon.
That's so cool. Let's teach some important words for today. Planet, star, galaxy, universe.
Great words. A planet is like Earth or Mars. A star is like the sun. A galaxy is a big group of stars. And the universe is everything.
So, if you could travel anywhere in space, where would you go?
I think I'd go to Jupiter. But I don't want to land there. It's a gas giant, no real ground.
True, and it has storms bigger than Earth. That's scary.
What about you?
I would go to the moon. I want to stand there and see Earth in the sky.
That would be emotional. I think I'd cry if I saw Earth from space.
Me too. Listeners, imagine standing on the moon, looking back at Earth, a small blue ball in the dark sky.
Let's learn a few more words. Astronaut, rocket, spaceship, and space station.
An astronaut is a person who travels in space. A rocket takes people or machines into space. A spaceship is a vehicle for space travel. And a space station is a big laboratory that circles around Earth. Do you remember the first person on the moon?
Of course, Neil Armstrong in 1969.
And his famous words, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind."
A leap means a big jump. That moment changed history.
Do you think people will go back to the moon soon?
Yes, NASA is planning new missions. NASA is the American Space Agency.
And there are other agencies too, like the European Space Agency. Let's share some fun facts. Did you know that one day on Venus is longer than 1 year on Venus?
That sounds impossible, but it's true because Venus spins very slowly.
Exactly. Here's another one. The sun is so big you can fit 1 million Earths inside it.
1 million? That's hard to imagine. The sun looks small in the sky, but it's huge.
Incredible.
Let's imagine, what if we lived in space?
Then we would float everywhere because there's no strong gravity like on Earth.
Gravity is the force that pulls us down. Without it, you just float.
I think living in space would be fun for a short time, but I'd miss Earth. trees, oceans, animals.
Same here. But looking out of a spaceship window and seeing stars all around you must be beautiful.
What do you think is the most mysterious thing in space?
For me, black holes. Their gravity is so strong that not even light can escape.
That's fascinating, but also scary.
And we don't know what happens inside a black hole.
Another mystery is life on other planets. Do you think it exists?
I think maybe yes. The universe is so big, there must be life somewhere.
Even small life like bacteria.
And maybe intelligent life too. Who knows?
Hmm. Let's do a little role play. You ask me about my trip to space.
All right. Hi, Emma. How was your trip to space?
It was incredible. I saw Earth from above. It looked small and blue.
Did you visit another planet?
Yes, I landed on Mars. The ground was red and the sky looked pink.
Did you feel scared?
A little, but mostly excited.
That sounds amazing.
Listeners, you can try to make your own story like this. Imagine you're an astronaut. Where did you go? What did you see?
Let's quickly review some words we learned. Planet, star, galaxy, universe, astronaut, rocket, spaceship, and space station.
Great words. Try to use these words in your own sentences after the podcast. I had so much fun talking about space today.
Me too. It's big, mysterious, and exciting.
Thank you for listening with us.
And remember, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video.
That way, you can get more English lessons with us every week.
And tell us in the comments, if you could go anywhere in space, where would you go?
We'd love to hear your answers.
All right, see you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.